Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Savita and I'm back with another exciting and important video. So guys, I started with this end-to-end LangGraph course and this is 11th video of this end-to-end course. Now, before this video, I uploaded 10 more important video related to this course. If you haven't checked so far, please go and check. You will find out inside my playlist section. So open my YouTube channel, go inside the playlist section. There you will find out the playlist of this LangGraph course. Okay. Now in this video, we'll see how we can create a React agent using the LangGraph and many more concepts I am going to discuss. And even I will show you that how you can create a finance bot using this React agent, using this React with LangGraph. And this video is going to be super important because I will be using a multiple tools over here, and I will let you know that how this React workflow works in terms of this LangGraph. So first of all, let me give you the complete overview of the syllabus, that what all thing we have discussed so far, and let me show you those video, and then I'll be starting with my topic. Okay. Now here guys, you can see, so this is the complete syllabus. This is the first slide. It's a basic slide. I already uploaded all the videos, okay, related to this particular points. Now so I'm about to discuss this React agent, which is a part of this common agentic pattern. Now before that guys, if you want to understand this React agent and the further concept of the LangGraph, and if you want to understand the multi-agent and the RAG with the LangGraph, okay, which I'm going to upload soon, so please complete these particular slide. Okay, I already created a video. I will show you the video in some time. So here I discuss about the graph structure. I discuss about the LangGraph. I discuss about the different concept of the LangGraph, and even I discuss the different inbuilt classes or how you can create a LangGraph and all from scratch. Okay, so each and everything I discuss in this particular slide and this particular syllabus. If you don't know about it, you can go and check out with my playlist. Okay, now we are into this point, React agent. Okay, and it's a agentic pattern. What's the agentic pattern and what's the meaning of agent and all, I already explained you in my previous video. So if you want to understand those things, you can go and check out. Now where you will find out all those videos, so please search my channel. So once you will search Sunny Savita and then go inside this playlist section, here you will find out this LangGraph mastery playlist. Okay, or else you can go inside this video section. There also you will find out the video in the sequence itself. So if you haven't learned so far guys, you can go and check. You can start your LangGraph journey. You can start your generative AI journey. Not even the LangGraph, I uploaded many more videos related to the generative AI, related to the RAG and all. And in future I'll be coming up with many more videos related to generative AI. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed so far, please do subscribe and please support the channel. And guys, if you want to connect with me one to one, so here I given you the option here inside the description of my channel. So yeah, take a leverage. Regarding whatever issue you want to connect, I will be available. You just need to click on this link and you will get every information. Got it? Great. Now let's come back to the topic. So first of all, let me explain you about this React and all, and whatever thing I have discussed so far with respect to the React, and then basically I will come to this React with LangGraph. So if you remember my previous session, there I already discussed about the React. Okay, I shown you how you can create a React agent using the LangChain, and even I shown you how you can create a React agent using a Python from scratch. Okay, so both a topic, both a concept I discussed already, and I hope so you are already aware about this React agent if you are following to my playlist. If not, you can go and check with my previous video. So this is the complete code and all guys. So you will find out this particular code on my GitHub. So please go and check with any video. Let's say like if you are going to go, if you are going with this particular video, so what you can do, you can open the description, and inside the description guys, here I given you the GitHub link. Okay, now I mentioned all the code, all the stuff inside my GitHub. So please go and check. Please try to download all the material from here. I uploaded everything over here. See, prerequisite for the LangGraph. So all the agent tools and all everything. Okay, inside this tools and agent, you will find out the code of the React agent as well, along with the LangChain. And here inside this particular folder, you will find out the code of the React agent from scratch in Python, right? So you can go and check out, every material is there. Every material is over the GitHub itself. I hope so this thing is clear. Now coming to the next point. So guys, you are comfortable with the material, you are comfortable with the topic. So let's start with this React. Okay, React with LangGraph. So here I will have to create one file. I already created one file. Okay, the structure output agent, which I explained you in my previous video. If you don't know about it, you can go and check out. It is like very much important if you want to connect your application, your agent-based application to your mainstream application. Okay. Now here I'm going to create one more file. Now my file name is going to be React agent with LangGraph. Okay, React agent with LangGraph.ipynb. So here guys, this is my file. Now what I will do first, I will select the environment, okay, which is already there. Now what I will do, I'll be like importing OS and will be checking everything is working fine or not. Yes, so everything is working fine, and I hope so. This is all clear to you. If you don't know about the system setup and all, you can check out with my previous videos. Means my like initial videos. There I already explained the system setup and all everything. Okay, even I created a dedicated video on my YouTube channel. You can watch those videos as well. Now, coming to the next point. So first of all, let me explain you about the React. Okay, let me give you some sort of a idea, and then we'll start with the implementation step by step, one by one. I will show you each and everything. But guys, I would suggest you highly. I will recommend you these two videos or inside my playlist itself. So just go and check with my playlist. Just a second. Let me show you. See, here, where it is. uh LangGraph from scratch, LangGraph, yeah, AI agents, and this LangChain AI agents. Video number fifth and fourth and fifth, right? This two videos pretty much mandatory to all of you if you want to deep dive into the agents, and then rest of the video related to the LangGraph itself. Now, so guys, here I written a couple of points on my blackboard, and now one by one, step by step, I am going to explain you about this React. So guys, whenever we talk about the React, so how React works, see, let's say we have an input. We are passing the input. This input is nothing, it's a message or whatever like input we are passing. Okay, any like message, any input along with a prompt. And here, let's say we are getting an output. Okay, so we have output over here. Got it? Now, in between input and output, we'll be having certain step. So the first step is called the thought. Okay, so what it will do, it will think about the question. I will show you the example, don't worry. First, let's try to understand the process. Okay, thought. So it will think about this input, and this input will go to the thought. Then what will happen? It will take a action based on the thought, whatever it is thinking. So now I will be having action. One more step. And I already shown you this along with the prompt and all. You can go and check with my previous video, the video which I suggested. Then what will happen? So after the action, what it will do, it will take a observation. Okay, so here is my observation, and see, this thing actually, this all the thing, entire thing, it will be working inside the loop. Okay, and then finally I will be getting the output. But see, I'm saying now it will be working inside the loop, so it will take a observation. Then if it is not getting a final output, what it will do, again it will go to the where it will go to the thought. Again it will think about it. Then all the step will be followed, and this particular thing, it will be working inside the loop. Okay, so see, input, thought, action, observation, and then if it is not going to satisfy, the condition is not going to satisfy, then again it will think, then again action, then again observation. Okay, now this action, generally we use the tools over here whenever we talk about the actions now. So we use the tools. Understanding? I hope you are getting my point. You are understanding this entire flow. Okay, now let me show you the example, because without example I think so this is not a fruitful. So let's say here I am asking the question. My question is very straightforward. What are the benefit of the cardio exercise? So first it is thinking. Uh, so this is the thoughtful statement from the LLM. Then here it is taking action. So it is going to find out the detail from the Wikipedia. And here my at this time Wikipedia is working as a tool. This one. Okay, it is taking a complete detail of this particular thought, okay, this question. Then here is a observation, right? So observation basically it's a intermediate output. And then let's say if this condition is not going to be satisfied, means it is not able to like we are not able to generate an answer at this particular point, or maybe we are learning a loop multiple times. Again it will go to the thought, then again action, then again observation, and then only it will generate a final output. So here is what, here is my final output. I hope so this thing is clear. Now what changes we are going to make whenever we are going to create a React agent using the, using what, tell me, using the LangGraph. So let me show you the previous code which I written for all of you only. So here is a like complete code of the React agent from scratch. So see, React agent from scratch in Python, and this was the complete code. Okay, and here is a complete prompt. You can check, this was the my prompt, and this prompt basically I written it by myself, and here it is following the same step. Okay, so see guys, this one you can go and check out, and you can implement it like from your end if you haven't done so far. Now coming to the next point. So what all changes we are going to make whenever we are going to perform the same thing using the LangGraph. So this is the workflow basically which we are going to implement using the LangGraph. So here we'll be having the start point. A start point means what, we are passing the inputs. Then we have a reasoner. So this reasoner actually it is keeping the LLM. Okay, so here it is keeping the LLM, and what it is doing, it is thinking what should I do. So let's say if tool calling is required, so there is two options. First is this tool calling, and the second is end. So let's say there is a simple message hi, hello, or something. For that this tool calling is not required. So simply it will generate an answer through the LLM itself, and it will give me output. Okay, it will end the entire flow. But guys, let's say the tool calling is required. What it will do, it will go to over here, it will go to this tool, and it will generate an answer. Then again it will go to the reasoner. Then let's say if it is not going to satisfy, again it will come over here, then again it will go over here, then again. So this thing will be working inside the loop until what, until when, tell me, until we are not going to we are not getting a satisfied or satisfactory answer. Okay, satisfactory answer. I hope so this thing is clear to all of you now. So until we are not getting a satisfactory answer, so this loop will be working, and we can incorporate as many as tool over here at this particular stage. Okay, and then once we'll get a satisfactory answer, once our condition, all the thing, all the answer is going to be satisfied, then I will be generating the final output. And don't worry, automatically it will take care inside the backend, but we just need to create this particular flow. I hope this thing is clear to all of you now. You can read the benefit and all, why it is important. So you can take a dynamic decision making, you can make a scalable. Okay, you can like it is easy to integration of multiple tools and all everything. So I hope so this thing is clear. Now let's look into the implementation guys. So here guys, I imported required like module, and yes, I will let you know where when you need to use which module. Okay, then I'm using the LLM. Which LLM? So I'm using the LLM from the Grok, and it's a open source LLM. And guys, it is completely free. If you know, if you want to know like how to like configure this Grok and all, you can like look into my initial videos. I already explained you this like LLM setup and all. Now coming to the next part. So here I'm going to define one tool. Now this tool is going to be multiply. Okay, so I'm starting from very basic, and then I will come to the like advanced part and all. I will let you know how you can create a finance board out of it. Okay, using this particular like React. Okay, React pattern. So here is my multiply. This is the tool which is taking two input, and it is going to multiply the numbers. Okay, two numbers. Then guys, here I am having one more tool. So this tool actually it's adding. So this function, see, if I'm saying tool now, so it is always function. Getting my point? So tool means nothing. Tool means is a function. I can convert this function into tool as well. Officially, we have a decorator. We can use it, and I already perform those like those step and all in my previous solution. So you can check out those as well. Right now, here is what. Here is my one more tool, that is add. Now here I am having one more tool, that is divide. Okay, so I am having this three tool: multiply, add, and divide. Now I am going to configure one more tool. So that tool basically it is for what, for the for crawling the web. Okay, so if you want to crawl the web, and if you want to search anything through the web, so you can use this DuckDuckGo. We have other like function as well. So we have Google Server API, we have Tably API, we have this Google DuckDuckGo search and all. Okay, so anything you can use. I already shown you that Tably. I already shown you the Google Server API, and now I am like showing you this DuckDuckGo search, right? So here, guys, you can create an object of it, and then what you can do, you can check so whether it is working fine or not. So anything you can ask. Let's say here I am asking, or you can invoke this particular tool. So you can ask, let's say, any recent question. Who uh, is current president of US? As you know, like recently Donald Trump won the election. So let's see, this tool is able to find out that particular information or not. So who is the current current president of USA? So here is my question, and then let's see. So the Inca president is Joe Biden, who assumed office on till this particular date, and the president elected is Donald Trump in 2024, and presidential election over. Kamala Harris will be the office and all. See, this is the complete detail which we are getting from where, from the DuckDuckGo. Means successfully it is able to crawl the internet and it is able to generate the output. Understood? Now, so guys, let's do one thing. Let's try to create a toolkit. So here is my toolkit, guys. See, inside this particular toolkit, we have four tools: add, multiply, divide, and search. Okay. So this is going to be my toolkit. Now what I can do, I can do one more thing. I can bind this toolkit with my LLM so that LLM can take a decision when it's need to call this tool and all. So here I am going to call this bind tool, and now what I can do, I can pass this tools inside it. So here I'm passing the tool, and then this is going to be my LLM with tools. Okay. So LLM with tools, and I hope so this is fine. Now what I have to do here, so here guys, I have to like see LLM with tools. This is perfectly fine. Now I have to do one more thing. I have to define the system prompt. So for defining a system prompt, here is my system prompt, okay, which I already created. See, it is very simple system prompt. So you are a helpful assistant. Like what you are doing, you are searching and you are performing the arithmetic operation. Okay, so it is related to this particular tools only. Now after defining a system prompt, guys, what I'm doing, I'm defining a message state. So that basically I think so. Okay, message state is not required for this one. What I can do, I can I can import the message state itself, the predefined message state class. I am not going to define it from my end. Maybe I already imported this message state. See, here I already imported this message state, correct? So inbuilt, it's an inbuilt class, and I already shown you the use of this message state. Why basically we use it just to keep the message, just to keep the message throughout the nodes. Okay, different nodes. Okay, throughout the execution. So here we have the system message. Now here I'm going to create reasoner. This is nothing. This is my LLM itself. So this LLM, what it is doing, so it will take a message. Okay, it will collect a message, and see, it will take a message from in the form of state, and it is going to collect a message from here, and it is going to incorporate this system message, means my prompt, and then finally it is invoking. So guys, here it will invoke the LLM. Okay, LLM with tools, and this LLM with tools easily can decide when it needs to call which tool. Okay, so according to that, basically it will be calling the tool, and everything is working in the backend. And then finally I'm going to return the same state. Okay, the state basically it's a message state, and it will be a dictionary. Okay, it will be a dictionary. So message would be a key, and the message is nothing, it's a list of messages. I think I already explained you this part in my previous video. Now, so guys, now I have to define my workflow. So for defining workflow, first of all, what I have to do, I have to define the state graph, and then inside the state graph I need to add the different tools and edges. Okay, so guys, this is my complete workflow. Okay, so let me explain you this workflow. So first I'm going to define the state graph, then I'm going to add the reasoner as a node. Okay, so this is my function, reasoner function, and then I have this tool. So basically I have this toolkit, the entire toolkit, which I kept inside this variable, and I'm going to convert this tool into the tool node. Okay, now after this one, guys, I'm going to define the edges. So it's starting, I'm going to start, so from starting to reasoner, and then here is my reasoner. So whether it will go to the end or tool, So we are going to decide it using this tool condition. This tool condition is nothing, it's an inbuilt class. Okay, so we no need to write a manual code over here, which we were doing inside the previous class. So already LangGraph has given to us inside this particular module, and you can easily check the code of it. So let me show you that as well. So langgraph.prebuilt, and here is what, here is the tool condition. Okay, now let me show you the code of this tool condition. So see, this is the class. Yeah, this is a function, tool condition function, and here you will find out this is the entire code. So it is checking if there is no message, okay, inside the state, it is simply generating the error. And if there is a tool call, so I will return the tool. And if there is nothing, then I will simply return end, means we have a message but it is not incorporated with a tool call. So I will simply end it with the output. Okay, this is the simple logic. Now what I'm doing here, so after doing this, after creating this graph and all, so first of all let me execute it. So for executing it, here I required, okay, I executed already. Now here was what, here is a display. So see, this is the complete graph which we have created. Okay, the same one basically which I shown you in the initial of the session, this one. So I hope so this thing is clear to all of you. Now coming to the next part over here. Now I have to pass the message, and here you will find out the like power of this basically power of what, power of this particular React agent. Okay, this tool calling. So the question is very simple. Here I kept some different question. So first of all, see, this is a question. This is my question. My question is, what is the two times of Narendra Modi's age? You know who is Narendra Modi? Narendra Modi is the Indian Prime Minister, and we are going to check the age of Narendra Modi, but not directly. We are checking two times of the Narendra Modi age. Okay. So this is my message which I am passing to my invoke method. Now, guys, let's look into the response over here. How would be the response? So for that, basically, I am calling this pretty print. Okay, this one. Now let me execute it and let's see what I'll be getting over here. So yes, it is invoking, and after that I can simply check it out. See, so first it is giving the question. It's a human question. Then AI, it's a AI message. It's a tool call. Okay. So tool call means it will go to the DuckDuckGo. It will find out the Narendra Modi age. Then here it will what it will do, it will basically simply fetch out the age. Then it will add, okay, twice of this Narendra Modi. So two times of Narendra Modi is 144. So see guys, how if efficiently it is able to do everything. I hope so this is clear to all of you. So guys, if you are not getting this part, let me again explain you this particular execution. So see, first human is asking a question. It is going through the, see, this is the question. It's going through the AI agent. So AI agent is deciding this my reasoner. So I have to call the tool. So it will call the tool. Which tool? Tell me. This DuckDuckGo search. Now it will fetch out the information about the Narendra Modi. Okay, and then again it will go back to the where it will go back to the basically to my this one reasoner itself. Okay, along with this particular information. Then what it will do, it will take the, it will analysis the entire question and all, and based on that particular question, based on that particular analysis, it will check, okay, what it is asking, it is asking twice of the Narendra Modi age. Okay, so here it will again call the tool. So it is a tool calling. So it will take a parameter a, b is equal to 0. So what it is doing, it is going to call this add. Okay. Now what it is going to add, so over here you will find out. So it is going to add the same value. Okay, the 72 itself. And here you will find out. See, it is calling this particular tool twice of this Narendra Modi. So it is going to add the same value. And after this one, here is the final answer. Now I have kept one more question, and let's see whether it is able to generate an answer of this particular question or not. So what is the total height of the what is the total age of the Elon Musk and the height of the Mount Everest in meter? And okay, let me do one thing. Let me ask the question and add the height of the Mount Everest in meter in Musk age. Okay, guys. So I written this particular question. Let's see whether it is able to do the reasoning and all. Okay, the proper reasoning out of this particular question. Now here is my question, and here I am passing to my model. Sorry, my basically complete graph, and then let's look into the answer. So it is running. It is taking much time, and it is generating an answer, guys. So here the answer is failed to call a function at the prompt. So okay, what is this? Mm, I think there is some issue with the function itself. Maybe, yeah, I've seen this particular issue with the Lang with this Grok models because I think in the backend they haven't defined the function calling in a proper way. Okay, just a second. Let me remove this part. And now let's see. What is the total age of the Elon Musk and the height of the Mount Everest in meter? Just a second. Oh, I am checking and checking, checking. Let's try to generate an answer now. Let's see what I'll be getting. Yeah, it is done. And okay, so what is the age and Musk? So first, it is driving the information about the Elon Musk. So the age is correct, and here this is this. Mount Everest height correct. It is a tool calling DuckDuckGo. So yes, it is able to find out the height as well, and then tool calling. So guys, it is generating an answer in a particular way. The total age of the Elon Musk. Okay, so it is not giving the final answer. See, it is not giving the age inside the final answer, but it's giving the height of the Elon Musk. Oh, sorry, it is giving the height of the Mount Everest in meter. Okay, that's just great. So maybe we'll have to tweak the prompt and all for the tricky question. I think so we can do it. Now let me do one thing. Let me ask one more question and let's see whether it is able to generate or not. So here is my question. I'm just changing a question over here itself and yeah, perfectly fine. So I'm just adding the 100 in Elon Musk age. Okay, message is fine. Now it is generating a response. Is doing a complete reasoning and let's see what is going to be answers. So yes guys, now it is able to generate it. Okay, so here is my question, tool calling. Okay, and then adding is 151 and finally it is giving me answer. Hmm. So I hope so guys, this thing is clear to all of you how this React agent is working, how it is doing a reasoning and all automatically. Now let me show you how you can create a finance board out of it. So for creating a finance board, guys, I have a code. Now let me give you the complete explanation of this particular code. So first, what I'm doing, I'm importing this Y Finance. You can simply install it using the pip install command, pip install Y Finance. Okay. Now this particular library, it is responsible for what? For giving me the stock price of any of the stock. Okay, share price or stock price, anything you can say. So here, what I'm doing, I'm creating a function which will take a ticker. Okay, ticker is nothing basically. So here you can read about it. This is a tool for getting the price of the stock when pass the ticker symbol. Okay, now how to pass it means ticker is nothing, it's a short form, you know, like with every stock like one nickname is associated, right? So here you are passing the same thing. See, this is the nickname, this is a ticker of the Apple. Okay, likewise, we have a ticker of the Google, Meta, or with any of the stock, right? You will find out this ticker, right? This short form. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to create this method, and this method basically it will give me a price, stock price. So as of now, I'm checking the like close price. Okay, close price of the particular stock. Now here is my method. So I run it this method. Okay, see, I'm passing the ticker, I'm giving the ticker over here, and here I'm fetching the price. Now I am getting a price of this Apple. Okay, Apple stock. So this is the closing price of the Apple stock. Now what I'm doing here is my reasoner. What it will do, it will take a system message and this particular message, whatever message I am passing to it, okay, in the form of state, and finally what it is doing, it is going to generate a result. Okay, this is my LLM. Now what I'm doing, I'm adding this particular method, this particular function as a tool, okay, inside my toolkit. So I have my one more method over here now, get stock price. Okay, now I'm binding it with the LLM. This is fine, I think so. Then here is my graph state. Okay, this is my manual class. I can use the message class message state as well, which is a predefined class, or else I can create my own class. So I'm showing you in a both way. So intentionally I kept this particular class over here. Okay, so here I have a message. Along with it, I kept allow like couple of more values, query, finance, final answer and all. So you will get it once I will be executing it. But as of now, just focus on this particular part, which is a main thing, which we are going to return over here. Okay. Now, after defining the graph state, so I'm designing my workflow. It is the same like previous, and here I'm going to visualize it. So this workflow is same. Okay, you can read about it, read about this workflow. Nothing is there. I just added one tool. Okay, over here, and then what I did, I defined the manual graph state, and inside the graph state also just focus on this part, right? Now So after this one, guys, here I'm invoking my graph. So here I'm asking a question: what is the stock price of the Apple? So it will generate an answer. Let's see what it is giving to me. So here it is giving me a price. Okay, and from the tool itself, the answer is being generated. Now here I'm asking one more question: what is the stock price of Apple plus 1000? So here let's see whether it will be able to generate an answer or not. So yes, it is able to generate an answer. Okay, I think so. It is not able to parse this particular term. Maybe let me write add. So here, response is fine. Now let's say, yeah, it is able to do it. Maybe it is not able to parse this particular term, and the same issue I was getting previously as well. So yes, we can work on it and we can rectify this particular thing, because it's a back and forth thing, and definitely we should take it as a like challenge, and we should work on it, right? So I hope so, guys. This is clear to all of you. Likewise, you can add on multiple tools, multiple functionality, and definitely it will work for you, and you can create any sort of a system out of it, right? You can try it inside your workflow, whatever workflow from the LangChain and all you are using. You can just replace it with this LangGraph React agent. I hope so. This video is useful for all of you. So we'll meet in the next video. Until thank you. Bye bye. Take care, guys.